Hi lovelies! Today we are ditching the scripts and I actually had a completely different video plan for you guys, but I decided to go with my intuition and follow my gut and do this video instead. So here is the number one tool to increase your intuition and to start trusting your intuition more. It's the simplest thing. Listen. Slow down, quiet your mind, and listen. Today we have so many different distractions, from our phones to our laptops to shows to movies to social media to so many different things that are constantly distracting us, that it's getting harder to actually listen to your intuition and to actually hear it and then trust it, to know the difference between your intuition or someone else's opinion or thoughts or your ego talking. So it's important when you get the chance throughout the day to make time for a couple of minutes a day to just listen. Listen to what comes your way. Ask your intuition to guide you. Ask your intuition to give you messages. Have a journal out. Write out what comes to your mind. Ask questions and see what answers come up. Understand if it's your ego or if it's your intuition. Your intuition will be quieter, it will be more centered, more peaceful, it will feel more right. Whereas your ego could be coming from a place of fear or anger or from a place of feeling insecure. In order to be able to trust your intuition, you must first be willing to listen to it, to become familiar with it, to get to know it, to know its voice. The simplest thing you can do is to listen and get to know and discover that part of you. Discover and talk to that part of you, whether you want to call it your higher self or your soul or just your intuition, your inner voice, whatever you want to call it. But just be willing to actually listen and explore, and taking a few minutes out of your day to do that can make such a difference. Taking some deep breaths and taking a few minutes to just listen, to be present, and to see what comes your way, and to ask questions if you want and see what answers come to you. You never know what you can create or who you could become just by simply taking a few minutes every day to listen and to take time to listen. And one thing to know, if you struggle with getting people to listen to you, it might be because you're not even listening to yourself. So start listening to your intuition today, and you never know what might come your way when you do, or where you might end up when you do. So this is a very quick video just to get you to start listening to your intuition, to start trusting your intuition, to just remind you to reconnect with your intuition. And if you want more, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like it and share it if you think that anyone might get use out of it. And sending you lots and lots of unconditional love and healing energy. And remember, you are not alone. I will see you next week. Love you lots. Mwah.